This is the Red Devil polyurethane foam filler for small cracks and gaps. They make different sizes for different sized opening. This is the one that is the small for up to 1 inch. Got a 12-ounce can. Kind of cool. It's got a little hook on the lid for the applicator when you put it on here. Shake it up real good before you use it. This has a propellant inside of there and the material itself. This just screws on. You're going to want to apply it upside down, because if you don't, the propellant will all escape. You got to have the propellant pushing the material out of the bottom of the can. All right, let's try this. Let's see how it works. All right, pro tip, wear some gloves, some latex gloves or gloves that you're okay with ruining, because this stuff is sticky. And you also might want to have something on hand to wipe away any excess, but you're just going to hold this thing upside down. You're going to let it fill up the cavity about 1/3 of the way, and it will expand and do its job. And if you want to cut this stuff away later, you can do that. And here it is, about an hour later. You can see, pretty easy to remove. It's foamed up pretty well and it's nice and tight. Give it a little bit of time for it to harden up, and once it's solid, you can cut it and clean away the excess parts that expanded out on you that you don't want showing, and works pretty good.